In this video, we'll show you how to install the drain valve on your Quel Tap boiler. Before you begin, make sure you have prepared all the necessary tools and unpack the drain valve kit. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the parts provided in the box. Step 1. Isolating the water supply. Turn off the mains water by closing the isolation valves on both hot and cold feeds. Step 2. Switch off the boiler tank using the power button, then turn off the mains power socket. Step 3. Disconnecting the outlet hose. Using an adjustable spanner, unscrew the boiling water outlet hose from the red marked outlet on the boiler tank. Hold a paper towel underneath to catch any water that may drip during this step. Step 4. Attaching the drain valve. Before fitting the drain valve, check that the rubber sealing ring is correctly in place inside the valve. Then screw the drain valve onto the red marked outlet of the boiling water tank until it is secure. Step 5. Reconnect the boiling water outlet hose to the top of the drain valve and tighten it with the adjustable spanner. Step 6. Preparing the waste pipe. Using a drill, make a 6 to 8 mm hole in your waste pipe at the same level as or lower than the drain valve. Step 7. Fixing the waste pipe connection. Tear off the protective film from the sponge pad, attach the adhesive side to the waste pipe, aligning it with the hole. Remove the blue clip from the drain valve inlet. Now proceed to install the drain valve clamp. Make sure the clamp is aligned precisely with the hole in the drain pipe. Then use the screws to secure the clips firmly in place. And tighten them with a screwdriver. Step 8. Connecting the tubing. Insert the plastic 1/4-inch tubing into the side port of the drain valve, then connect the other end into the waste pipe connection. You may shorten the pipe if it is too long for better organization and clearance. Finally, secure the waste pipe connection with the blue clip. Now you can turn your mains water back on. Turn on the mains power and press the power button on the boiler. You may need to press the temperature setting button to reactivate the heating cycle. After a few hours, check for any leaks.